Welcome to the Cooking Dad 242 and
Family!
Today we're making curry chicken and
rice.
Let's go.
Let's get started with the chicken.
Separate the arm and the wing part. Take the tip off.
Now we add some Martin salt and black pepper.
And mix it all up.
Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Well, it looks yummy.
You're gonna get sick if you're gonna eat that.
Now it's yummy.
Yes. Nice and crispy.
Crispy chicken.
You guys ready to eat?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm about to use curry sauce for this. Sorry guys.
But that will take forever. Yes, and then you have to cut the right size. Yeah.
Yeah, but I love curry with white rice.
But we want food now.
You have to wait. Hey guys, your worst enemies, onions.
No, onions make me cry.
All right guys. Enough of that. Yeah, me too. I'll take it. Garlic powder.
Everybody loves garlic powder. Not really looking like a sauce.
No, I'm gonna add some flour to thicken the sauce.
2 tablespoons.
Yes, that's right.
Now let's mix. I'm in the mix. Let's mix.
Hey,
Oh,
don't forget the hot water. 2 cups of hot water.
so that's what makes it like a sauce. It looks
Yes.
like onion soup. Yeah.
Yeah, I love onion soup.
Powder. Oh, now it's starting to look like a sauce. Yeah.
Yes, look.
Ah.
Put some sugar and some salt to balance the taste. And put a little bit of salt to taste it. Where you guys find these songs from?
We made them up.
Oh, okay. Tastes so good. Thumbs up.
Now this is the real thing. Yes, is it ready now? Is it ready now?
I gotta toss it up with a curry sauce first.
What?
Then it's gonna be ready.
No.
You have to wait.
Oh.
Then I'm gonna make some white rice
I will take
with some butter.
Let's mix. I'm in the mix. Let's mix.
Enough already. Enough. You have to mix the cooks, guys.
Our favorite part, but I mostly want to try the chicken. So crispy. 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter and rice. Oh yeah.
You gotta wait for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, guys. I think it's ready. The rice is nice and fluffy. Enough of the song already. Look at the rice. Serve and enjoy. Put some sauce on top of that white butter rice.
Serve and enjoy.
Oh yes.
That's good. We got some chicken, bacon.
Wow.
So yummy.
Thanks for watching the Cooking Dad 242 and
Family!
later guys.